In this video, I'll share my honest review of Opus Clip. You can find my affiliate link in the description below. Using that link helps support the channel and allows me to continue creating tutorials, reviews, and content like this. If you click on the affiliate link, it will take you here to opus.pro. The plans for the most part are pretty reasonable. You can choose whether to pay monthly or yearly. You can also create a free plan if you're not ready to pay anything yet and you really just want to explore the platform. I am going to click where it says drop a video link and paste one of my YouTube videos and just select get free clips. Once it loads the video, I just select get clips in one click. Once your video is done, you just select it and you will see all of the different clips that it generated. Opus Clip automatically generates a score for every video to predict how viral it will go. So it ranked this one as 90. If you click into it, it shows you the score, the script, and it gives you a few options. You can publish it on social, download it, edit it, add an AI hook, enhance the speech, and a few other options. So I'm going to select edit clip. If you want to change the content in the video, you can just go to add section and it will pull up the entire transcription of your full video. So you can select sections to add. You can add a section before or after the existing content. You can change the captions if needed, just by simply selecting captions and selecting the different type of caption that you want. You can add media. If you want to add a logo, you can just click on where it says drag files here. I just added the Go High Level logo, and you can choose if you want to add it to the timeline, add as intro, outro, or manage assets. I'm just going to add it to the timeline. So now I have a logo added to the video. I can look at brand templates. It has a few preset templates that you can edit. So going back to the clips, I'm going to try another one as an example and edit clip. This one used a little bit more B-roll, so I want to see how this one looks. So as you can see, it just started with content in the middle of the video. It doesn't really give an intro. So if I want to add an introduction, I'm going to click over here and select AI hook. So if you add a hook, you can choose a voice to generate it in, and then you generate the hook. So now it just added that intro content to the beginning and gives you a lot of options like removing pauses, removing filler words. You can edit captions, you can add media, you can use your brand template, you can add stock B-roll, auto-generate AI B-roll, you can use a prompt to create B-roll. You can also just search the stock library to add B-roll to your video. You can use transitions, add text, you can add music. Opus Clip also has the ability to schedule posts for you, and it also provides analytics for your videos. It also gives you some of these options here, like long to shorts, AI captions, video editor, enhanced speech, AI reframe, AI B-roll, AI hook, and script to video. Now that you've seen how Opus Clip works, let's talk about my overall thoughts on the platform. After researching creator feedback and seeing how Opus Clip performs for real content creators, it's easy to understand why it has become one of the most popular AI video tools on the market. The biggest reason is simple. It saves an incredible amount of time. If you've ever tried turning long YouTube videos, podcasts, interviews, webinars, or live streams into short form content, you already know how much work is involved. Finding the best moments, creating clips, adding captions, resizing for vertical viewing, and exporting multiple videos can easily take hours. Opus Clip automates much of that process and can turn what used to be hours of work into just a few minutes. Many creators say Opus Clip allows them to publish significantly more content because they simply aren't spending as much time editing. For busy creators, business owners, coaches, and marketers, that's a huge advantage. Another feature that receives a lot of praise is the AI clipping itself. Instead of manually searching through an entire video for highlights, Opus Clip analyzes your content and identifies moments that are likely to perform well as short form videos. No AI tool is perfect, but the consensus from many users is that Opus Clip does an impressive job finding engaging clips and giving creators multiple options to work with. One feature that's generated a lot of discussion is the virality score. While I don't think any AI can perfectly predict what will go viral, I do think this feature provides a useful starting point. Instead of starting at dozens of clips and wondering which ones to post, creators get additional data that help them prioritize their content. What I find interesting is that even creators who don't rely heavily on the virality score still appreciate having it available as another piece of information during the decision-making process. As I looked through reviews and creator feedback, the overwhelming theme I keep seeing is that Opus Clip helps people create more content with less effort. That's really where the platform delivers the most value. Could you still make adjustments to your clips before publishing them? Absolutely. In fact, many successful creators do exactly that. But the difference is that instead of starting from scratch, you're starting with AI-generated clips that are already surprisingly close to being publish ready. For many users, that's the difference between posting consistently and not posting at all. Another thing worth mentioning is that Opus Clip continues to improve. The company regularly releases new features features, updates existing tools, and expands what creators can do inside the platform. AI tools evolve quickly, and it's encouraging to see a company actively investing in making the product better. When it comes to pricing, I think the value largely depends on how much content you're creating. If you're consistently publishing videos and want to expand your presence on Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, or LinkedIn videos, the time savings alone can easily justify the cost for many creators. Think about it this way. If Opus Clip saves you several hours every week, that's time you can spend creating new content, growing your business, working with clients, or focusing on other areas of your brand. Based on everything I've seen, Opus Clip is especially valuable for YouTubers, podcasters, coaches, consultants, educators, and businesses that already create long-form content. Those creators often have a goldmine of content sitting inside their videos, and Opus Clip helps unlock it. One of the most common pieces of feedback from satisfied viewers is that Opus Clip helped them finally start posting short-form content consistently. And if you've been paying attention to social media over the last few years, you know how important short-form video has become for growing an audience. At the end of the day, no AI tool can completely replace creativity, strategy, or understanding your audience. But what Opus Clip can do is remove a huge amount of the manual work that prevents creators from publishing more content. That's why my overall impression of Opus Clip is very positive. It's easy to use, saves time, creates professional-looking clips, generates captions automatically, and helps creators get more value from the content they're already producing. For anyone looking to scale their content output without dramatically increasing their workload, it's easy to see why so many creators are adding Opus Clip to their workflow. If you've been thinking about trying Opus Clip, I definitely recommend taking a look at it yourself. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more tools, content creation tutorials, and software reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.